So over the years, we have collected a lot of resin supplies. We have micas, liquid solid pigments, alcohol inks, plus we have a ton of glitters. Oh my gosh, we're never gonna escape! And we've even mixed all of them into this special everything powder. But we've had some pretty decent experience mixing these into other mediums, such as
paint.
Yeah.
We've now glow-in-the-dark paint and fluorescent paint and glitter paint. If we can turn all of these things into paint, what is nail polish but paint for nails? And we got a DIY nail polish kit so that we can do just that.
Yeah, so this is just like pure, like plain base.
I'm surprised at how not clear it is. That's disgusting. Thanks KiwiCo for sponsoring this video. More on them later.
Before we like just start messing around and doing things ourselves, which we are gonna do, we're gonna go completely off the script. But I feel like we should watch the tutorial video that came with the kits and follow it once.
Yeah, for control.
For a control before we start deviating with all of our crazy supplies. You ready?
Yes.
Using the provided scoops, add your choice of pigment powders to the mixing boat. We recommend between 2 to 6 total scoops of powder. Stir to blend. Gently pour your pigment into the funnel and shake well to combine.
What color are you gonna go for?
I don't know. Blue?
Just like a straight up blue?
We'll do a navy.
Blue and black, yeah. One black?
Do 1 black and 3 blues and then see what we need to add. Okay, definitely needs more black.
Okay, 1 more scoop of black.
Yeah. Let me just persuade it.
Oh yeah, that's working pretty well. Alrighty, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really excited.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Look at his eyes moving. Look at his googly eyes.
Guys, look at that.
A great control.
Yeah.
I'm shaking it. Let's have it.
Now you're gonna have to tell us how this compares to.
I will. To normal nail polish. Oh, a little thin.
Thin.
Little thin.
Really
but
thin.
that happens. I mean, especially with like cheaper nail polishes.
You know what? That's not bad.
It's fine. It's totally fine. But it's not that exciting, is it? I think we could get a lot more exciting with some of our pigments.
Now, should we go all the way in?
You want to go straight to the everything pigment? We did a video where we mixed together all of our resin pigments and glitters into one container. And I definitely think we should put this on my nails.
That is just beautiful. Let's just do 6 scoops of the everything.
And we don't need to mix it because it's already been mixed. What's the point of the boat anyway?
To mix.
Yeah, but we're gonna mix it in here.
Yeah, you're right. What's the point of the boat anyway?
I guess if you want like a preview of what the color will be, you can put it in the base.
Oh, jeez.
That one was extra tough.
It's like really.
It's really on there.
Right?
Maybe open it like over this, yeah.
Oh. That was real easy. Wow. once you use the proper tools. Everything, I'm so excited. We're just going for it, baby.
I know, I didn't expect to do the everything so soon.
I think that this is gonna let's get the fails out of the way, then let's really try for something really good.
This could be awesome.
It could be awesome. There is a possibility that it's awesome. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's satisfying.
Look at that. Actually, this might be awesome.
Let me know if I'm...
Yeah, you're doing good.
Wait, why do I love this kind of? It's also
actually, yeah, in person, wow, it looks pretty great, guys.
Why is it like kind of nice? Can you see that chunk on the end of the nail? It's like a long, skinny glitter.
Wow.
Wow. There it is.
Yeah,
Second
it looks nice.
Right?
It looks like a kind of a coppery, metallic. I kind of like it.
I kind of like it.
Wow. One thing that we haven't done yet are solid, super pigmented colors. And I think that's what most nail polishes are. And thankfully, we have universal tinting paste. What is it? I don't know. But it's worked great on so many different things in so many different ways I think we're gonna try it. What if we did a blue with a little bit of white in there to compare it to this blue?
I'm down for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for 1 white drop. And I'm just gonna do quite a few of this.
Ooh, I wouldn't do too many. So we know how far that stuff goes in a bucket of resin.
But I want it to, I'm going for like 1 coat.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Oh, it is kind of like a creme. Whoa!
That was a fun. It's like, it's so fun when it just like, vroom, and it just does the vortex thing.
Even this one isn't 1 coat.
See, I knew I was gonna need more.
I wonder if part of it is also like the thickness of the nail polish. This is kind of thinner nail polish.
You know, it does take 2 coats, but I think it is less opaque than the mica, strangely.
I kind of like the micas more.
Interference blue?
If we're doing interference blue, we should do it over a black.
You're right. Let's do a black galaxy.
We have this. I think that would be better than the solid. Should we add some holo?
Let's just prep a black so that we can use it as a base coat.
Okay.
All right, cool. I'm just gonna do a basic black. I'm gonna do a few black drops.
So this is black mica and black universal tinting pigment.
Yeah. This is our attempt at 1 coat black.
But this will be a good base because we have some
Body!
It's so bad. This is a 3 coat black. Well, everybody, womp womp. I'll give it another coat.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's just like
It's like a
shiny, plain black. Do we just go all in with the interference blue? I think so.
yeah.
Just like 100% interference blue.
Yeah.
This is nail polish 5 and
wiggling
interference
time.
blue. Ready?
Yeah. Wiggling time.
Oh yeah! Oh,
Do you
wow.
wanna? I can't see it.
Like I don't know if you guys can really.
It's pretty iridescent.
It's so iridescent-y.
Okay, but look at this. Like you saw, it looks like a white nail polish. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Have to like make sure I really cover the black.
Yeah. Like it looks really nice, but a little bit streaky.
Little streaky, little streaky.
Little streaky.
Just see what that does. It might like mess up the effect. Man, this one just keeps getting like kind of nastier. I think it's too many coats. This is 4 coats in total now, and I'm probably not letting it dry enough in between.
Let's do holo. Let's do some really fine holo. Oh.
What?
Be very careful about scooping this.
Yeah,
Don't
keep
want
me away
another-
from it.
Don't want another incident.
That's why I'm not touching it.
What have you done? This, guys, oh my gosh, this is the mix that I'm most excited about.
I am a little concerned about the yellowness of the base without any pigment added. Let's just see how this looks.
Oh my gosh, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah!
That's fun. Oh, that's so fun.
Oh yeah!
Haha! Let's see. Okay. You know, it seems like it'll be decent. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that seems like it's the right amount. Would you want more than that per coat?
It depends on the look you're going for. I typically like a little bit more. That way it's like less noticeable when you have bigger bare patches. But it's still pretty cool. Did that make that one worse also? Maybe. It's so splotchy.
We want to do like a really bold glow in the dark.
Yeah, I'm about to move into the territory of not having any usable hands.
I'm ready.
You wanna do it?
Guys, this is crazy. It's so thick.
It sank already.
Sank already. Look at it. Its weight is over
Ah, it's so weird.
here. Okay, are you ready? Let's see what happens.
Do it.
When we try to mix it. Oh!
Wow.
Yeah! It still works! Oh wow, yeah. This is a color.
That is great. This might need a couple coats. Yeah, yellows are usually bad. Oh, is it not mixed? Oh, that's weird.
It looks like someone
like
colored my
melted-
nail with highlighter.
I was gonna say, it looks like you dipped it in melted butter.
Now, do I test to see if it glows already?
Oh my God, it glows. No, but I want to do it with 2 coats. Go.
Oh, guys! I saw, you can see everywhere I missed it.
You can.
Okay, can you go up and turn off the light?
Yes.
Okay, guys, are you ready? Like, let's see. Yeah, you guys can't really.
It just kind of gets blown out. You ready for me to turn it off?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you can totally see it glowing. That's cool.
So glow-in-the-dark nail polish,
It works, but it's also ugly.
give it a 4 out of 10. So what's a good activity to do while letting your nails dry?
What about a hands-on science project thanks to our sponsor, KiwiCo? KiwiCo provides fun, hands-on projects and activities designed to expose kids to STEAM concepts. But if you're like us, you can enjoy them as adults too.
Watch this. Oh. Every monthly crate has 1,000+ hours put into its development, and there are 8 lines you can subscribe to for different age groups.
Is there a subscription for adult children? Asking for a friend.
And the crates actually come with everything you need for the projects, so there's no last-minute running to the store.
And between technology, art, engineering, and more, there's always new topics to learn about. Oh my gosh, Katelyn, look at this.
Oh my God, it's ours.
That's ours! Look at that!
That's ours.
That's ours! Ah,
Evan and Katelyn.
yeah! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! So cute!
Honestly, this is so legit. Like, I probably would have paid to buy this, but I made it. To support our channel, click the link in the description to get 50% off your first month of any KiwiCo subscription. Thanks.
When do we do the Duochrome?
I'm down for Duochrome.
The most expensive pigment that we have.
So this is a purple to teal duochrome. You can see, like, as it hits different angles, it kind of transforms from a teal to a purple. It's really cool looking, honestly.
Oh, wow, so pretty. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It's already, look at that. You can look, you know.
Oh, it's so cool. That's so nice.
And the most expensive one we've made yet.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow, you guys, I don't know if you can see, it's actually really pretty.
That's so cool. So the fineness of the pigments has a lot to do with the coverage
Yeah, this
The
is our first
quality?
one coat.
and all of that. Wow, I like that.
Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, one and done, guys.
Okay, this is the first one that we've made that, like, I would actually wear it.
That is epic. Wow. Honestly, guys, hello?
Yeah, that one's honestly really
I'm like, can
nice.
I do the rest in just that? Well, success. This is an in-person. It looks even better.
Yeah. Okay, so a few things we haven't tried yet. We've not tried alcohol ink.
I think
Which
it's gonna be
I'm-
bad.
I kind of want to try the alcohol ink. It's okay if it's bad. I just want to experiment.
Okay, what alcohol
we-
ink are you gonna do?
Let's do like a pink. So when you use this in resin, it gives it like a nice color that is still transparent, which is really great for some resin applications, but not necessarily ideal for nail polish. Like, you don't want it to be transparent.
Do you want to do the push down?
Sure. Okay, you ready?
Ready. Whoa.
Oh. It's less transparent than I thought it would be, but it might still be super transparent on my nail.
Well, you're gonna paint with your other hand.
Well, I have to.
Ah.
Oh, you know what? It's kind of good. I like it better than the universal tinting.
Wow.
It looks like a highlighter. It definitely needs another coat, but it's kind of interesting. I was right there. Look at that.
Wow.
It's like super neon.
Wow.
Like this came from this,
Wow.
right?
Wow. And it's like, and the polish and the smoothness. Okay, what should we do for the next one? Let's do the
Shade
silver.
dye. Oh, the silver?
Let's do the silver.
Okay, yeah, let's do the
I
silver.
think that'll be interesting.
So this is another universal tinting pigment, but this is a metallic one, which we have not done yet.
Yeah. All right, guys, are you ready? Whoa,
Oh,
yeah.
that's like mercury.
Look at that, guys.
That was looking nice. This is another one coater. This is actually a really cool silver. It doesn't look like a silver nail polish. It almost looks like a silver car paint.
Like chrome.
Yeah.
Oh man, my nail is so tiny.
Yeah, your nail is really teeny.
The tiniest.
Yeah, the silver it is so shiny and so sparkly. It looks really good.
It looks
Our last three have been our best.
almost like there's holo in there.
Right? You can see that there's some glitter. Alcohol ink and glitter. That could be
Alcohol ink and glitter.
fun. Yeah, you want to try that one?
Alcohol ink and glitter.
Because it might not cover the glitter in the same ways the mica
That's
did.
a good idea, guys.
Maybe a purple
Yeah, purple would go well with glitter. Let's do a purple and glitter.
glitter.
Oh, guys, this is gonna be a
I'm
satisfying
excited
mix.
about this one.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Oh!
Oh,
Already galaxy.
that is satisfying.
Heck yeah.
Ha! Okay, let's see. The good news is I can totally see the glitter through it. The bad news is it's definitely not enough glitter. It has a little bit of that same look as the pink one, where it kind of looks like watercolory. It's definitely not enough glitter. Oh yeah, you can see the
like,
additional
raining
glitter.
down.
Let's see. Oh, I think it is better.
Ooh.
I mean, it's definitely more opaque now on the purple. Again, it's kind of hard to evenly distribute the glitter. There's not much control. Yeah, so it's not bad.
Not bad.
It's not as neon as the pink. It's not bad. I think a slightly lighter color might work better on the alcohol ink, like the pink, because you can still see a little bit of the unevenness.
Yeah.
How about we pick a color, one we haven't done. Maybe we do green.
Yep.
We do a scoop of green mica, a drop of green alcohol ink, some green universal tinting. We might have a green glitter.
So this is like a green
everything. Yeah.
A more
Why not? Maybe we'll either get the best of all of them or the worst of all of them. I'll start with the glitter.
So this glitter is kind of like a
It's like a duochrome,
gold,
like green and gold.
green gold, yeah. 2 scoops of the mica. Ooh, yeah! That definitely actually did give it more
It did
depth.
give it more depth.
Yeah.
I will say the glitter in there kind of looks disgusting.
The glitter looks gross. I wish we hadn't done the glitter.
Oh. It's definitely a pretty color. I don't mind the glitter too much.
It's a pickle.
A pickle!
Oh my gosh. It's pickle. It's Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick. You know, it's not bad.
It's not bad. I mean, it actually does have something going for it. It's very rich.
Definitely is a little lumpy.
I think that it's totally possible for you to do nice DIY nail polish.
What was your most surprising fail and most surprising win?
Most surprising fail was actually the hollow top coat that we made. It was really hard. It's too clumpy and it's too spaced out.
My favorite win, surprise win, alcohol ink. It stayed really, really shiny. And then my other two favorites, of course, the duochrome and the silver.
My favorite thing is the Duochrome.
Both of those are awesome.
The worst?
The worst is the glow
The
nail.
worst is the glow nail. I mean, it works. It works. I think overall, even though we went off the rails kind of intentionally just to see what would happen, I think that this was a grand success. Thank you for your work, good scientist. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Let's wave like this, Katelyn. Bye. Ask you for one more thing. Sure. What do you think about our nail polish? We made all of these nail polishes.
Wow. Wow.
Evie, I think
Well,
I gotta tell
Evan,
you,
I
I
have
think
to
they
tell
look
you.
better on Katelyn than you.
Is it just because of my short, stubby nails?
Yeah, and your short, stubby fingers. Your fingers are like sausages.